everybody, Ryan right here. Welcome back to a new series. I actually recorded 2 videos regardless, but they didn't work. So I need this little thing to record games. And I forgot it wasn't on the screen. So, let's just start up the series. This series is going to be Flappy Bird series. So, this game is called, what's it called? Splashy Bird. Basically, this upgrades you can get. As you see, I've got the gold fin and the pink skin fish, and I've put arcade elements, and there's all these things we can get. But today, I want to try and get, I'll try and get 120 coins so I can get this. Okay, I understand I can't buy it, but to get 3 coins, we get to watch a video. So this is obviously why I bought this game, so I could get a bunch of avatars to watch a bunch of videos and find a good game. That's why I bought this app, obviously. I'll move this out the way to damn exit the game. Oh, how do I exit? Oh, yeah. Okay. And I've either got extreme or normal mode. I'm going to start off with normal mode. See, I've only got 1 in extreme. I will show you how hard extreme was. You see how hard that is? Let's just go normal. Here's normal. My beautiful pink fish. Oh. Come on. We're going to call this fish Jemima. We just need 20 more coins, man. And then we can unlock that thing we said we'd try and unlock. Come on. Oh my god. We're gonna unlock it so easily. Oh my flipping god. Don't die. Come on. Oh, get off my screen. Okay. Almost 120, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900. We've got our goal. Okay, no, I didn't actually mean to do that. Okay, Sim City. Yep, yeah, I understand. It's a good game, but no, I don't want Sim City because I really want to start a bunch of Let's Play on the phone. This is probably going to be my only Let's Play apart from Pocket Edition on this phone. Maybe I'll probably be doing random games, but now let's just give you 150 coins to buy. I'll buy space elements. Look at my black skin. Oh my god. We're gonna call this guy Mildred. Oh yeah. Oh my god, there's even a title of a gap. That's not fair. Let's try this on extreme. What? We need to get to. This is extreme mode on this. It's impossible. Look. No. Couldn't get over now. Come on. Nope. Okay. Ow. Nope. Oh, stop. See, guys, I know how to get that stupid. Oh, yeah, homophobic. Stop dying. After this next one, okay, we're gonna watch another video. So I like this video. Well, yeah, monkey eat banana. No, I mean apple. Why you say one apple? was gonna go at you. What? You let him get fat. Hello. Oh yeah, this is bad. Oh yeah, you could take an out monster. You got owned. Owned. I don't even care. What can I buy? Oh my god. Look at my fish. Is there anything else I can equip? A ruby crown for 10 more. Oh my god. Mildred, you are looking good. That's all I can say. This mode is really hard. Yes. 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 The thing is, when you're recording, I'm sorry if you have to like talk a commentary over videos, and sometimes you just need to concentrate. But the viewers will get bored if you're like too quiet. So do you know what I say to me? Fuck all you viewers who moan about us being quiet. Why don't you try and record and concentrate on the game at the same time? Jeez, and I'm also happy because I know I did have 45, 48, 63. A bunch of weird subscribers happened, but yesterday I went down to 39, and the happy thing is I went back up to 40. So don't unsubscribe as well, guys. I don't like people unsubscribing. Okay. I think there was something for 60 coins. Let's collect 60. I can't even. Come on, tap, tip. Okay, I died. Okay. I don't care. Shop. Top hat. Oh. Yo, I'm in the house. I'm so good. Yo, I'm in the house. Yo, I'm in the house. So good looking. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, leave a like and don't subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.